Wake up, it's Saturday morning. Get up, it's time to stop snoring now. 'Cause we're gonna have so much fun just as soon as this song is done.
Morning! Me and my best friend. I know.
The magic will never end.
And we're all gonna get home just as soon as we end this song. Let's all put on our happy face. Here at TV Kids Place. It's a place where no one is ever rude.
And we're gonna have exciting adventures as soon as this song concludes.
So now, let's get the show started. We're glad you haven't departed yet. 'Cause we know our theme's too long. And we need to cut down this song. Let's all put on our happy face. Here at TV Kids Place.
Get up! Welcome to TV Kids Place. I'm your host, Pippi Peterson Morales. Are you guys ready for a show?
Hold on. I'm PBS head of programming Robert Galliford. What is going on here?
We're just putting on our show, Mr. Galliford.
My wife calls me Mr. Galliford. You call me PBS head of programming Robert Galliford. I canceled the show 3 weeks ago.
What? But we didn't know.
Oh, come now. It was posted clearly in the break room where everyone could see it. I have a copy right here.
Oh, look, another piece of trash!
Well, there, kiddies, it's your old pal, Clogger the custodian. Did you know you can take paper you don't need anymore and make airplanes out of it? Watch this. Found, throw! No. Oh well, if it doesn't fly, that's okay. Just leave it on the ground. Someone else will clean it up.
Quago, did you take down the cancellation notice from the bulletin board?
I sure did. I made it into an airplane and then I left it on the ground.
Mr. Galliford, what could possibly replace us?
That's PBS head of programming Robert Galliford. And I'm glad you asked. You see, BBC and PBS have put together a couple of co-productions that are going to supplant you shortly. Here's a preview of one of them.